Welcome to People Before Machines.
Robots replace humans is outdated and inaccurate.
Conversations on the chaos of factory automation from Monday morning to the very near future.
We like to describe Industry 4.0 more as the era that we're living in right now with a vision of what it could be.
Robots and cobots and automated guided vehicles
Are designed to augment human capabilities, not replace them.
Connect your equipment to the cloud.
You're tracking that data and applying intelligence to that data.
The data you collect from that equipment is almost more valuable than the equipment itself.
all repetitive tasks, whether physical or mental, are probably going to be automated sooner or later.
This episode, we're talking about
Making sure that all this tech that we've built doesn't just crank out efficiency, but it also actually serves people. It is getting better and better and better, and it's becoming an integral part of our lives.
how do you make sure people don't get left behind.
Talk to your people before you make decisions on what it is you're trying to automate.
We're seeing a lot more businesses deploy teams focused on AI. So how are we using AI? How do we leverage AI?
Data is a raw material that will help products evolve or create better experiences.
Certainty is an illusion, right? You need resiliency and agility and all those types of things.
Pace of change has been relentless. Machines are now suddenly able to understand and interact with us in a very human way, especially through human language that we've never experienced before. And it's not slowing down, it's accelerating.
Leaning into presenting information that's factual and logical.
Let's always remember that the people are the most important part of your company,
It will remain the core of who we are.
not the technology. Technology is there to help the people, not the other way around.